How's she sound? How's
Alexa?
both of them?
Hold on, I gotta. Alexa has to be near me. You'll have to hear her.
Okay, then the other one.
You're just crazy, Sam. You're fucking crazy because he told me he was gonna bang my fucking head against the desk, and I was like, I'm gonna go home and listen to Trina and talk to Early because you're fucking crazy. Why would you say that? He gets all booty tickled when you don't listen to him. But still, you know, it's just fucking crazy. It's crazy because it's crazy.
It's just dark as a bitch. You can't see shit.
Why are we? I'm not going in here though.
I go in here, man. I'm videotaping.
He's kind of lit. You can't. Okay. Oh, rock
He's actually Sam just fell asleep. It's early as hell.
Can't go 9-9. Goodness. You hear him? You hear Sam go 9-9? He's just so cute. He's so cute. He's sleeping like a boo-boo.
It's just dark as a bitch. You can't see shit.